Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to the channel. It's good that you have been following us. If those subscribers that have been following us for a while, again, thank you for being here. And also new subscribers, if you're seeing this video for the first time, this YouTube channel is about stock market, about investing, about stock market trading, day trading, cryptocurrency investing, trading cryptocurrencies. But the main feature of this YouTube channel is reviewing stock market schools. There's so many schools out there, there's so many stock market classes, programs, and we reviewed them all. Again, I've been trading stocks since college, and after college I've been actually working for stock market companies, and we've been affiliates with many companies, and we've been in partnership with many companies, big companies, but you'll see on the channel that over the years we've been reviewing many different schools. I mean, Investopedia, TradeNet, and so forth. So just many cryptocurrency schools. But again, just if you are interested in trading or stock market trading or forex trading or options trading, yes, you can go like I did in the beginning, read a bunch of stock market books, which does help you with knowledge, but knowledge is good, but the most important is to actually sit on the computer and start trading. But once you start trading, you can make still a lot of mistakes even though you've read so many books. So my suggestion to you guys is, I've made a lot of mistakes when I started trading. I lost a lot of money. There's videos that guys can go back on the YouTube channel. Lost more than $60,000 in stock market when I first started. But then over the years when I learned more, when I took a lot of schools, mentoring, classes, I could profit actually, and I profited much more than how much I lost.